It's now getting warmer and it's time to dewinterize our camper. We just had our camper covered with tarp outside all winter. So far, we didn't have any problems with it yet, being outside all winter. So let's go ahead and move those slide outs. I always double check and make sure there are no things that fell on the floor or anything tangled somewhere before I move the slide outs all the way. This is the disconnect battery switch, but we didn't switch it on during the winter time. So far, the power looks good. Battery is full, as well as the off-grid solar power. First, let's drain some of the antifreeze from the water lines. Or you can just let it come out through the faucets later. If you open the water lines drain valves, just make sure you close them again. Then turn the antifreeze valve to closed position and the freshwater supply valve back to open position. Open the gravity fill and fill up the water tank with some water. Doesn't have to be full. Then make sure the cold water valve is in one position. Turn on the water pump to pump fresh water through the system. Open the faucets and you should see the pink antifreeze coming out with the water. Let the water run until there's no more pink color in the water. To fill water in the hot water tank, reinsert the anode rod. Change the hot water tank bypass valve to the one position. And leaving the hot water tap open, let the water run until a constant steady stream of water is coming out. This indicates that the tank is now full. Also drain the antifreeze from the washer. Our camper is not hooked up to electricity, so I will just use our off-grid power from the solar panel. Make sure the gray water drain is open. Turn on the washer and select spin drain mode. After all antifreeze are drained, just turn off the washer. You don't have to finish the whole cycle. Then close the gray water drain. When finished, just turn off the water pump. Now we're ready for our first camping trip of the year.